So what I want to cover in this video is how to use your free Zoom account. I covered how to sign up for a free Zoom account in a separate video, but how to use your free Zoom account to record videos that you can then upload to your class in Canvas. When you're logged into Zoom, you're going to see your Zoom profile. You're going to click this schedule a meeting button to start a conference. So in this case, we're starting a conference, but we're just using Zoom as our method of recording a video. We're not actually inviting anybody to this. So the conference itself is empty. You can call it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. And you can give it a duration. You can say when to start. Again, you can still start it even if it's not, if I have this set for 2:00 p.m., it's only 1:13 now. I can start it whenever I want. When I scroll down, if I want to be able to show video of myself as well, I can turn this on. And the rest of it doesn't matter, except under meeting options, I want to make sure I click this record the meeting automatically on the local computer. This will allow Zoom to record the conference that you're doing, and then it will download it onto your computer so that you can access it and then upload it to your Canvas course when you're finished. I'm going to click save. So I'm going to go ahead and click start this meeting. And again, I'm not actually meeting with anybody here. I'm just using this as a way to record myself speaking and then also be able to record my screen. When you have clicked start meeting, you're going to see that the video is recording here. You're obviously going to want to make sure that your microphone is working. I'm going to mute this because I am using, rather than recording this video on Zoom, which I could do, but then you wouldn't be able to see all the Zoom controls because it hides those from the Zoom participants. So I am going to click this button here, and you can just make sure that your microphone, the correct microphone that you want to use, is selected. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click the share screen button. If I wanted to use a whiteboard, I could, but I'm going to click screen because I'm going to want to show my students the PowerPoint that I have. So from here, I can just open PowerPoint on my computer like I normally would. I could go through my presentation with my students and they will be able to see my screen and hear me talking. If I want to share a video of myself in this presentation, I can just come up and hover over my menu here and click start video. And then it's going to pull up a video of you speaking. And if you want to hide it again, you can click the stop video button. If at any point in time you wanted to switch to sharing a whiteboard, you can click the new share button, click whiteboard, click share. Now it's going to bring up your whiteboard here. If you wanted to type something, you can click this text button here and it will allow you to type. I have not tried this with the whiteboard because I don't have an iPad, but I have had some questions from instructors about the whiteboard and the conferences tool and whether you can use a stylus with the whiteboard. It does appear to me, based on the research that I've done, that if you have a touch capable screen on whatever device you are using for your meeting, that it will work with a stylus. So if you're trying to demonstrate a math problem, but again, you can always come in here and try it out before you are actually making your recorded video just to see what will work. If at any point in time you need to pause your recording, you can always hover over this floating menu here, come up to the more option, and you can pause the recording, which will allow you to stop recording while continuing the conference. So that way you don't have to stop the whole thing. So keep in mind that while you're doing these Zoom meetings, you can share whatever you need to from your computer. So it doesn't have to be a PowerPoint. It could be a video that you are showing to your students, a clip that you have, and then you're commenting on it and uploading that. It could be a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, anything that you have up on your computer, you can pull up while you are in Zoom and make that part of your recording. When you're finished, you'll come back up to your floating menu here. hover over more and click End Meeting. And you're going to click End Meeting for all. And because it's recorded, it's going to automatically convert your recording. And once your video is converted, you'll need to find the video on your computer. So I had to search for it the first time, so I just clicked on Windows and went to my search bar and clicked Zoom, and it in my search found the MP4 file. My recommendation, rather than just uploading a file to your Canvas account directly, would be to upload it to YouTube and then link it. I know that's another account that you have to have. Unfortunately, we're having to kind of think outside the box here with some of these things. The benefit of having a YouTube account and uploading your Zoom video directly to YouTube is that you can also provide automatic captions. YouTube will do that for you so that you can make sure that you are compliant with accessibility requirements. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to click this Add Upload Video, and I'm going to select my file. You'll see where it says audio only playback, or this one that looks like has a video icon. This is going to be the actual video. Click on that, and now it's uploading. In YouTube, they always want to make you designate whether or not this is made for children. And no, this is not made for children. So I'm going to click Next. You'll need to designate it as being a public video, or you could do an unlisted video, and that way anyone with the video link can see it, but it's not going to be public, so that it's not going to be searched. And you can get the video link here. Click on it and just come up here, get your URL for the video. And now I'm going to come back here to my course in Canvas, and I'm going to create a page. So I'm going to Pages, Add Page, and I am going to click this Insert or Edit Media button, and I'm just going to paste my URL for my YouTube video in there. It's going to put it right there. I can click Save and Publish and go to my module, click Add Page, Add Item, and now my video lecture, or whatever video it is right there available for my student.